Okay, the H7s are installed. Looks way too blue, like in the camera. For some reason, every time you record like the white blue lights, the camera makes it like 10 times bluer than what it actually freaking is for some reason. But now I'll throw a picture in here to show you guys how I made the H7s work, because the factory housings won't work. You have to modify them. So then I make out of a 150-pound test zip tie, I put two 7/32 holes in there. Or is it no? Yeah, two 7/32 holes in there. And then I put one in, I strap it over and pull it over to the other side. And then I see how it fits. I'll show you a picture. So this is what it looks like after it's installed. And then make sure you plug these in the right way. So go up to the vehicle and plug it in first and turn it on before you get done, because you could have this connector backwards, plugging it back into the factory harness. Okay, they're in. I don't know why this phone makes them look like that. This phone makes them look so blue, but when you're looking at them from the outside, they're like a real white. Let's check the brights out compared to them. Oh yeah. That's the H7 installs. Easy peasy.